Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is February 3rd, 2026, and we're diving into the fourth quarter 2025 earnings report of Enterprise Products Partners, a leading North American provider of midstream energy services. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Enterprise Products Partners has just released their Q4 2025 earnings, and there's a lot to unpack, from their operational performance to strategic initiatives.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Enterprise reported a revenue of $13.8 billion for the fourth quarter of 2025, slightly down from the previous year. However, their net income remains steady at $1.6 billion. John, can you elaborate on these figures?
Absolutely. While the revenue saw a slight dip, the company maintained its net income, which is a testament to their operational efficiency. The EPS for the quarter was 75 cents, slightly above the 74 cents from the previous year. Their gross operating margin also increased to $2.7 billion, indicating strong profitability despite the revenue decline.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Enterprise has shown impressive operational efficiencies. Their operational distributable cash flow was $2.2 billion, and they increased their distribution by 2.8% to 55 cents per unit. What does this say about their financial health?
These figures highlight Enterprise's robust cash flow generation. The adjusted cash flow from operations reached $2.4 billion, and they managed to repurchase $50 million worth of common units. This indicates a strong financial position, allowing them to reward shareholders while reinvesting in growth.
Strategic initiatives and capital investments. Enterprise has been active in strategic investments, with $1.3 billion in capital investments for the quarter. Can you tell us more about their key projects?
Certainly. A significant portion, $1.1 billion, was allocated to growth capital projects. The Bahia NGL pipeline, which began operations in December 2025, is a major milestone. They're also expanding in the Permian Basin, which is expected to drive future growth.
CEO insights and market position. CEO Jim Teague mentioned a record fourth quarter performance. What are the highlights from his statement?
Jim Teague emphasized the record operational metrics, including NGL fractionation volumes at 1.9 million BPD and natural gas processing inlet volumes at 8.1 BICA/4D. The Bahia NGL pipeline is a key asset with plans to expand its capacity, reinforcing Enterprise's market leadership.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 69s, but Enterprise reported 75. How did this beat expectations?
The actual EPS of 75s exceeded the forecast by 0.6 cents, reflecting better than expected operational performance and cost management. This positive surprise has likely contributed to a favorable analyst sentiment towards the company.
Key takeaways. In summary, Enterprise Products Partners delivered a strong fourth quarter with solid financial metrics and strategic advancements. Their ability to exceed EPS expectations and maintain robust cash flows positions them well for future growth. Thank you for joining us, John.
Thank you. Enterprise's performance and strategic initiatives indeed make it a compelling investment prospect.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Enterprise's performance in the comments below.